The little boy and the baby dog. In a small, sunlit village surrounded by rolling hills, a little boy named Arlo found a shivering puppy under a broken wooden cart. The puppy's golden fur was damp from the morning dew, and its tiny whimpers tugged at Arlo's heart. Arlo scooped up the baby dog, cradling it gently in his arms. He whispered, "Don't worry, I'll take care of you." The puppy licked his nose in reply, its big brown eyes sparkling with trust. Arlo brought the pup home, naming it Sunny because of its golden hue. Sunny quickly became Arlo's shadow, following him through fields of wildflowers, hopping over streams, and curling up at his feet during bedtime stories. One day, as they played by the river, Sunny barked sharply and tugged at Arlo's sleeve. Confused, Arlo followed Sunny's lead to a spot where the earth was caving in. A few more steps, and Arlo could have fallen into the rushing water below. Sunny's bravery saved the day, and from that moment on, Arlo knew they were more than friends. They were a team. Together, they faced every adventure with a bond that nothing, not even time, could break. Sunny wasn't just a puppy. He was family,